Hi, I'm Melanie Smith, and I'm a Deputy Regional Director for Missouri State Parks, but I also serve as the Katy Trail Coordinator.
I understand this was one of the worst floods we've had in the Katy Trail history. How many miles were closed last summer?
At the prime time, at the biggest part of the flooding, we had about 100 miles of trail that was closed. Not all of that was underwater. Some of it was closed because access to it was underwater, based on county roads and things.
And now there's been a lot of repairs, I know already. How many miles are closed currently?
Today we have less than 10 miles, maybe about 5 miles that are still closed, and a couple of those are closed due to other issues, maintenance issues on the trail. They were not flooding related. And we do have our regular trail maintenance, which you can find that information on our website, katytrailstatepark.com. And then we also have capital improvement funds that'll be budgeted hopefully in that next fiscal cycle to help with some of those bigger repair projects that we have coming up. Two of the big projects that we have for the trail, one will be replacing that bridge that's at Salt Creek, which is between Roachport and New Franklin. That bridge was damaged from the flooding, and so it'll have to be completely replaced. And then we also have an area near mile marker 117, 118, just outside of Portland, where we had a piece of the bluff that had sloughed off, and so we're going to have to do some repair to the bluff and the trail through that section.
That is awesome. We certainly appreciate all your efforts. Everyone enjoys the Katy Trail that goes on our tours, and we can't say thank you enough.
Well, we're glad that you're out there.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.